I am Tamilselvan. I am from Metupalayam. I have completed my BSc Computer Science degree in 2025 and I wanted to learn software testing after completed my college. Then I chose Qtree Technologies in Saravanapetti and I joined and completed the course. And I wanted to thank my trainer, Mr. Deepak Selvaraj, for conveying his knowledge to us in better understanding way. And I have completed my project. My project is based on automating an e-commerce website, and my website name is JPEG. In this automation project, I have used Java as programming language and Selenium and TestNG framework. Cross-browser testing is done by using XML file. We are going to run TestNG shoot. After confirming the order, screenshot will be taken automatically. TestNG provides default reports for us to analyze the test reports. Once again, I want to thank Qtree Technologies and my trainer, Mr. Deepak, for sharing his knowledge to us in a better understanding way, and support from Qtree was very good. Thank you.